Good afternoon, fellow RVers. This is Gary Ulmer down here at Bish's RV in Junction City. Today I'm going to show you a 273RL. This is a 2022 version. I actually have the 2021 version of this. We upgraded from a little 23-footer to this thing because we've got 5 kids and we needed this room. Let's start out here. We've got this power jack. Pretty convenient, pretty easy to use. It's got the dual propane tanks, dual setup for batteries. Coming around the outside here, plenty of storage here. We've got a couple of kayaks, the little blow-up kayaks that fit in here pretty easily, and then all of your equipment that you need to hook up. It's got the solid steps. This is great, so that when you're stepping on these, the whole rig doesn't bounce, because I get up pretty early in the morning and I don't want my kids and wife to be up while I'm cooking my breakfast. Let's see, and I usually do all my cooking outside. I rarely cook inside, even though it's got an amazing kitchen. I do all my cooking out here. It's just, I mean, you're outside, you might as well use it. This has got pretty good sized fridge. I think it's a 4 cubic foot. Now when I say I think it's a 4 cubic foot, I can double check. It's got a great sink, a little storage cabinet up here for all of your spices. Salt and pepper. That's basically all the spices I use. All right, let's take a look inside. Yeah, like I said, it's got an amazing kitchen. Large fridge, huge sink. What do we got here? A little microwave. It's not a convection, but it does come with the stove. Pretty good sized stove. Fit 2 pizzas in here, cook them at the same time. It's got a 3-burner stove. Let's see, this TV's nice. This comes all the way out if you're eating breakfast or whatever and you want to watch the game. It's right over there. It's got the speaker, fireplace down here that puts out some pretty good heat. I usually use this to actually heat my entire trailer. It's pretty efficient. It's got the laid, I think this is a trifold. Yeah, this is just a hideaway bed. Actually pulls out. Pretty good size, full-size bed. On the other side, we've got these recliners. Both of these recline. It's a little pull cord here. Goes way back. And goodbye. Let's see. We've got this here dinette set. Easily fit 4 big adults. I'm 6 foot, 210. You can fit 4 of me in here. Lots of storage up here for all your food needs. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, it does have a bed. And a bathroom. Yeah, this bathroom's pretty good size. Six foot, 210. This is the room you got. Even if you're 6'4", you've still got this room here. It's got the fantastic fan. All the moisture and everything comes out the top. It's got the porcelain sink. Nice. Large enough sink to brush your teeth and all that stuff. Place for your medicines. Lots of storage in here for more medicines. And let's take a look at the bedroom. Nice walk-around bed with lots of storage. And back here you've got this little storage. You can put your CPAP, all your phone, your devices, anything you need to charge back here. And it's just a through there. And this huge closet. Thanks for taking a look at this 273RL. Once again, my name is Gary. If you want to come down and take a look at this one or any other RV, just give me a call. My number is 541-321-5281. Thanks.